Hello. So we solve number 50. It will be a real 2 by 2 matrix, which of the following statement must be true. Okay. So all the entries of A squared are non-negative. This is definitely wrong. Let me see. How can I show one example? How about this? So this is negative. So the first one is false. Okay, second one. The determinant A squared is non-negative. This is easy since determinant A squared is determinant A squared. And since A is real, so determinant A is larger than 0. So this is larger than 0. Okay. The third, if A has two distinct eigenvalues, A squared has two distinct eigenvalues. This is nonsense because if you add this one, A squared is 1, 1, 1, 1. So this contains two eigenvalues. This contains one kind of y. This is only 1. This is 1 or minus 1. So the only choice is the second. We choose B.